Hello, photography enthusiasts. Do you want to add some magic to your city shot? I'm Gan. I'm going to show you how to take a zoom burst shot which changes a picture from this to this. Alright, are you ready? Let's get right into it. First, in order to take a zoom burst shot, you must have an optical zoom camera. Basically, it's a camera that can zoom in or out like this. You will see why in a moment. And a tripod is recommended to steady the shots. To take a beautiful zoom burst shot, you should be in an environment where there's low brightness and full of lights, so that there are many light rays in the pictures, as can be seen in this picture I'm showing you right now. For example, I'm at MBK Center in Bangkok at night. This is when you can see the sources of light rays from the buildings. The initial settings I'm using are 8 for the aperture, 1.3 for speed shutter, and 100 for the ISO. I might adjust them later based on situations. Now, what you need to do is to set up the camera, aim it to where you want to take a picture, and then press the shutter and quickly twist your zoom simultaneously as I'm doing. And there you have it. Now, you might be wondering about how to adjust the settings based on the situation. The only thing that needs to be adjusted is the speed shutter. You can use the brightness indicator to help with this. Lower the speed shutter if the indicator goes in the negative direction and higher if it goes in the positive direction. Here my indicator goes in the negative direction, so I lower the speed shutter until it's in the middle as can be seen. Before we continue to the video, there are some small additional details about the zoom burst that I want to talk about. First, using a zoom lens would be easier since light takes longer to travel through lenses that have long barrels like this. So there will be more time to produce the rays or streaks you want. This is completely optional and you can see in the video that I didn't use it. Another matter. I said the only necessary thing to be adjusted is the speed shutter. You can certainly play around with the others if you want. However, keep in mind that you should stick to small aperture, otherwise you might get overexposed pictures. In other words, a lot brighter than what you would wanted. Remember, the higher the f value, the smaller your camera's aperture will get. That's all. Let's get back to the video in the bonus section. You can also take pictures using the normal method of moving lights, such as cars or trains with the settings, to get something like these. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.